You can also have recognised transactions within your banking screen. And this happens when you've already allocated items from your for review section beforehand. So this is more of a thing as you start to use the system, QuickBooks will recognise and pick up on what you've done in the past. So this might not be the case if you have a brand new QuickBooks profile, but as time goes on, it definitely will be. So for example, you can see here, if I scroll down, we've got an event here for networking on the 21st of April. QuickBooks has a green text against the account for print, post and stationery. And what this is saying is that it's trying to recognise that actually this may be for a print, post and stationery expense. However, networking we wouldn't necessarily class as a print, post and stationery expense. So in this case, QuickBooks has guessed wrong. However, as I said, as you frequently use the system more, hopefully it will pick up and have recognised transactions that become more and more accurate and reflect your bookkeeping style. So all you have to do to overwrite that is simply just go in and change the account to what you want it to be. Quite simply, allocate away. Anything with an uncategorised expense or uncategorised income means that QuickBooks hasn't been able to pick up a recognised supplier or payee. It might mean that you've never used those before, so you will need to go in and manually allocate the payee, the account and the VAT code if relevant to you.